Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We all love to live in a place that is neat and organized, but keeping it organized is not that easy. But you can make it easy by adding few very useful products which works wonderfully for small kitchen and for other rooms too. I have found some great items for kitchen, actually for every room, which I am pretty sure will help you to keep your kitchen and entire home organized, neat and clean. So without much delay, let's begin the video. Recently, I bought few file organizers from Amazon and unlike my expectations, they are just great, both quality wise and look wise. So these two file or magazine organizer were in set of two and it's made of metal. So it's very useful for my kitchen to organize things. I will show you how and what type of things you can easily organize in this type of magazine holders. One more, this type of file organizer is gifted by one of my friend and that too is very nice. It's made of very strong cardboard and covered with good quality cotton fabric, so you can easily store anything in this organizer. Now let's see what type of things you can store in these file holders and utilize them to organize your kitchen and other rooms. So you can store so many things in this type of organizer, like all your pans, which takes up lot of space in the cabinet. If you store them like this, you can save lot of your space. Trays and chopping boards and even lids can be easily stored in such organizers. We use so many towels in our kitchen that can be stored like this. You can just roll your kitchen towel this way and you will be able to store many towels in one organizer. Store your paper rolls and other foil rolls in this and your kitchen will never look cluttered because of all these rolls which we often use in kitchen. Other than this, you can also utilize these organizers for storing cake pans and empty bottles. Also, if you have some extra grocery items and due to any reason you are not able to store them in containers, just keep them in any file organizer and later you can fill them in the containers or jars. Store your favorite books and keep it on your study table. It will look nice and organized. In your wardrobe, you can use them to store hair dryer or straightener or even combs and other appliances. Not only this, if you don't have much space in your cabinet, just keep them flat and store cups, bowls, trays, plates, etc. whatever you want, and it will help you to save lot of your space in your cabinets. Isn't it so easy to use these file holders in kitchen to keep so many things organized? I am sure you will also love this idea. I was looking for a rectangular basket for my kitchen in which I can keep all my oil dispensers together, but I couldn't find it in any of the local shops. So I searched in Amazon and I found this basket and I really love its color and its size. It is exactly the way I was looking for. This type of baskets are very useful to keep your kitchen countertop organized by storing so many bottles and jars in one basket, and very easy to use while cooking. If you are keeping oil bottles, then it's better to spread a paper napkin at the bottom so that it will be easy for you whenever you want to clean this basket. Beautiful tray for your kitchen countertop and for your dining table. It's made of wood and it has jute handles, very easy to hold. You can keep your jars and other containers on this wooden tray and place it over your microwave or oven, or simply arrange salt, pepper, sauces or pickles on this tray and place it over your dining table. It will definitely look absolutely beautiful on any type of dining table. This hanging organizer is amazing and will not take any space on your counters. Just hang it anywhere in walls or on door backs and keep all miscellaneous items which creates clutter in any room. You can use it in kitchen or in your entryway to store meals, envelopes, keys, sanitizers, bottle, wet wipes, mask, etc. Anything you can store in this type of hanging organizer, and it will help you to keep your entry area organized and clutter free. All these home organization products are well designed, easy to use and very affordable. I love how they make my life easier and my house look much better. I always suggest only those products which are actually useful and also shared which are not just worth buying in many of my videos. Do check those videos also. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and if yes, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe if you are watching for the first time. Thank you so much and keep watching.